My name is Paul Ainsworth, and today me and my team are going to be showing you some dishes from number 6. The dish I'm going to be doing for you is smoked haddock quiche Lorraine. It's a wonderful sablé biscuit case. Inside that we caramelise the onions for a long time. Folded through the onions is smoked bacon and creme fraiche for acidity. Then in the middle of that we take a wonderful egg yolk. On top of that we take a beautiful piece of beach smoked haddock. Then to give more eggs we use caviar, and we just finish it with a really intense sauce. So first on the plate we put the pastry case. Now into the pastry case we put the onions, the bacon and the creme fraiche. We make a little well and we just put this nice bit of indulgent comfy egg yolk. On top of that, this beautiful piece of smoked haddock that's been poached in butter. On top of that, the caviar, and then we just finish it with this wonderful light, airy smoked haddock sauce. So there we have smoked haddock quiche Lorraine.